So these are our Tenner Tuesday bags that we have got in a really nice quality fabric. Got pockets on the side. So just quickly show you the two colours actually before I carry on. So we've got the pink star colourway and also the blue bag with the white stars. Both of them have a front pocket where you can pop lots of things in, and a main compartment. Now these are just a few toys, but there's a pocket there as well that you can store extra bits and pieces in. A loop so you can hang it easily on a coat peg. Padded shoulder straps, and you can adjust the length of them as well. So that's, and you've also got side pockets so you can put drink bottles, or you can put in small tissue packets. So that's the blue one. Then you've got the pink one. So pink one, again you've got two side pockets, exactly the same features. I'll show you what I've managed to fit in this one. So two small bottles and a big pencil case, and then there's still so much more room even though we've got the big pencil case in there. So one big pencil case, and then you have got some colours, a book, and you've also got one of these in there. Then you can put everything in here. Lots of room, lots of space. And you've got two zip closures.